Moving to La Liga, where the title race is almost decided in La Liga, because right now Barca is topping Madrid with 8 points with just a game to spell. Yes, so Barca has played 32 games, Madrid has played 33 games. Yesterday Madrid drew 1-1, and today Barca, they are playing away to Getafe. If they win that match, they are going to be topping Madrid by 11 points. And we all know that it's going to be very difficult for Madrid, considering the form that they are. Please bear in mind, Yamal is also on injury. So do you think that Yamal's injury will affect Barca and reduce their run? Or you think that Barca can really sustain this run and win the league?